It started as just another cold night. Wind, rain, nothing unusual. But out at sea, something was building. A massive storm surge, pushing water toward the coast. Faster, higher, stronger than anyone expected. In the Netherlands, people were asleep, in their homes, warm, safe, or so they thought. Then, the dikes began to fail, one after another. Walls that had held back the sea for generations collapsed. Water rushed in. Villages disappeared. Streets turned into rivers. Houses were swallowed whole. People woke up underwater, in the dark, with no warning, no escape. Some climbed to rooftops. Others held onto anything they could. Families were torn apart. Children swept away. The water kept rising. Cold, relentless, silent. There was no help coming. Not yet. Boats couldn't reach them. Phones were down. The storm was still raging. For hours, people fought to survive. In freezing water, in total darkness. By morning, the sea began to pull back. But what it left behind was devastation. Over 1,800 people were gone. Entire towns destroyed. Lives erased overnight. The sea didn't warn them. It didn't knock. It just came in and took everything.